Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your Apple ID is signed in and two-factor authentication is active. This secures payments. Open Wallet to confirm an Apple Cash balance or verify a linked debit card. You need a funding source. Next, go to Messages, open a conversation, and tap the Apple Pay button or the Apple Cash card in Wallet. Once done, enter the amount directly or choose a recent amount, then tap Pay to move forward with the transaction. With the amount displayed, look carefully at the recipient, amount, and funding source. This prevents mistakes. Tap Pay and your device will prompt for authentication. Use Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to authorize. After authorization, the transaction processes instantly when using Apple Cash, or it may use your linked debit card and take a short time. Make sure the recipient's contact is correct. If needed, change the payment source before confirming to control fees and timing. After sending, confirm the payment shows as sent or paid in Messages. Also open Wallet to view the Apple Cash transaction or check your Apple ID purchase history for linked card charges. If the recipient hasn't received funds, make sure both devices have internet, check Apple system status, and ensure your funding source has available funds. If a charge failed, retry after correcting the issue or contact Apple support. Keep screenshots and transaction ID handy to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.